Good morning. I am currently on my way to Long Island Drifts. It's August 23rd. Driving the Miata. I have a small utility trailer on the back with my spare wheels and all of my other junk and tools inside the car. I'll check in with you guys when I get there. All right, I just arrived at the venue. It's like 15 minutes till tech closes, so I hope I can like get in and get to tech real quick. Okay, so C group is up way faster than I was anticipating. I literally got here. The driver's meeting like took place when I got here. They teched me like right after the driver's meeting and the walk. So now I guess we're just going out. Like, I didn't really even have time to check my fucking car. So let's just hope all is good. That thing is so sick, that S13. Yeah, so they changed the layout this year. Last year, it was kind of just like a figure 8 that went this way. But this year it goes clockwise instead and is a lot faster. So I think like legitimately I might just take like a test drive on the first one instead of trying to drift it. Oh, it's gonna be ass. They kept saying shit like if you have a slow car, if you have a Miata, it's gonna be difficult. So difficulty on top of being a beginner is gonna be a really fun experience. Okay, well that was like 100 times better than last year, period. I heard a lot of knocking in the front end though, and I'm kind of concerned about it. A whole lot of knocking around in my front end, but that was fucking sweet, dude. That felt fucking awesome. Okay, so we spun because I was like trying to give it the beans, because that's what like I was supposed to do. Like they say if you're gonna let off after that first turn, you might like fucking enter Narnia and go into the grass. So I was trying to be extra careful and like just try and gas through it, but I did spin because of it. But it's all right. We got back on our feet. I did get that knocking again, so that's still a little bit concerning. So I'm gonna kind of pop out and see what's going on. Okay, so I've discovered that my air intake filter like basically came off. This may have been the source of the knocking, but I doubt it. I couldn't really fix it quite right. So I'm gonna do one more run and then bring it in and inspect everything and try and get this back on. Oh, we're big understeer. I don't know what happened. The car was just straight understeer. I think I just wasn't committed enough to that turn. All right, so same thing as fucking last year. In the middle of the big turn, there's just a cone on the ground, which I, you know, expectedly ran directly into, so that was fun. And that's all the runs for today, so I'm gonna pack up all my shit, probably stay for the B group and A group runs. I want to get some ride-alongs in if I can, but I will see you guys tomorrow when I come back, because this is a 2-day event, so hopefully I can get some better seat time. I felt really good. I actually kind of almost connected turns 1 and 2 on that, which was really nice, and I think that's kind of my goal tomorrow, is to connect turns 1 and 2 well, and then to also hold out all of, you know, the last big sweep. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay, second day. One fatal mistake of yesterday was bringing the trailer. That was probably the worst idea I had. On my way to the event, I had to pull over like 3 times to adjust the tires because they weren't secured properly. On the way home, the ratchet straps like literally came off. Yo, I looked back and there was no strap on top of the tires. They're just loose, dude. I knew this was a problem. So the front ones are fine because these tires have like they're kind of grippy, so the ratchet strap like kind of took to them. These haven't moved, but the ones in the rear, I was like, I just gotta throw them in the passenger seat to get home. So today, no trailer. I'm just gonna probably put the trunk rack on and go that way because this was such a hassle, and I didn't even go through one pair. Okay, so I think I'm first in line for C group, first session. I have the 360 cam on the back. I hope it doesn't fall off like really bad. I don't have a great feeling about the rear mount.
Again, I like it. You listen.
There's definitely, at first I thought there was gonna be less people today than yesterday, but I think C group is almost the same size, if not like 5 drivers shorter, so maybe we get 1 extra run in the 30 minutes. I think people today are a lot more respectful of like the getting off the track rule. Understeer like crazy. Okay, pretty bad run overall. Like, a lot of understeer in the beginning, and then didn't really connect that back too well. Shit happens. Just get back at it. That was a good run.
Very nice. That was a good run.
That was a great run.
Good shit. Oh man, this fucking speed bump down.
I don't really feel it in my car, thankfully.
Yeah, no, it wasn't that bad. It looked bad. I was like, oh shit, there goes the car, but.
Oh, okay. Let's pop this hood, let it cool down. That was an amazing last run. I'm so happy with that run. It felt so good. I didn't pop the hood. Intake is still on somehow. We're all good. That was fucking awesome.
Yep, well, I'm glad I came here at 11:30.
Oh, fun. I'm just gonna see myself out for that one. That's so ass. That's the first time that happened to me.
Oh, it's okay. You got nervous. It's all right.
I didn't even get nervous.
Oh, I know. I'm just making funny.
I was trying to hit big angle.
Ah, it's all right. Wow, leave this juice.
I waited so long
Yeah.
just to blow it all
Yeah, it's okay.
in 5. It's all right.
Okay. Sorry. I'm on a drift run right now. All right, bye.
We were almost the guys that went off.
It's okay. Well, that last one hard on this car.
What happened?
I said that last one was right there.
I did really good for the first portion though.
No, it was nice. It was nice.
Yeah. The first left was a little iffy, but the second actually connected into that longer part, which was nice.
Oh, he really is getting out and pushing it.
He pushing that shit.
Yoink that shit. Yeah, baby. It's okay, yoink it. Give it a yoinkies, boy.
Oh,
You gave it the yoinkies, boy.
that was a good run though.
That was fun.
That was a pretty solid fucking run. Until I just spun out. I was trying to do too much at the end.
Because I was yelling at you. Give it the yoinkies, boy. Give it the yoinkies.
I think we end at 2:30. I might try and get one more in.
Hell yeah.
We spun on the second turn.
Hell yeah, no, but dude, you were fucking butter.
No! You motherfucker! You motherfucker! I just want to finish the lap. I'm trying so hard to keep that angle, and then it bites me in the ass. I try so hard to have that really good transition, and then it bites me.
Yeah.
All right, so that might have been my last lap. I think 65 is definitely too much air. I think 60 PSI is like the sweet spot because I'm spinning out a lot and I feel like there's not a lot I could do. I probably need a little bit more angle on the car, but I think 60 PSI is the sweet spot. 65 is too much in some circumstances. So I'm gonna try and let some air out of the rear tires if I can. I might not even have another lap. It is 8 minutes until the session's over. All right, there's 3 minutes left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cars ahead of me. If they all like get on and off as quick as they can, I'll be very satisfied and I'll be happy to get another run. But I'm unsure if I will. But this was a lot of fun. Like it made me love my Miata so much more than I did. But seeing that I can actually really drive this thing like and have fun with it is really so important to me. I do still want a 240. I don't want to be the Miata guy. Like, I heard somebody say, like, outside, they're like, oh, tell the Miata guy to move. And I'm like, I don't want to be the Miata guy, man. I don't want to be the Miata guy. But I'm going to keep this car forever, so I will make it as nice as I can. I had so much fun today. Unfortunately, not getting another lap. Huge shout out to Long Island Drifts. The Miata did fucking amazing. 0 breakdowns, 0 issues really. I know I need a ball joint, so I'm just gonna wait until I get the lower ball joint. Hopefully I can order that kind of soon. There's like an angle extended lower ball joint that I'm gonna get, and I am hoping to look to get a little bit of angle on the car soon. Just because I want to send it with some more speed, but it's hard when, you know, I run out of angle like immediately. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Really appreciate you. I'll see you guys in the next one. Hopefully another car review before the next drift video, because it's almost a month till the next drift event. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. Hope you guys subscribe, stick around, and peace.